na tayo sa West Beach Park. 10:29 pa lang. Akala ko 12 o'clock yung training ni Zach. 10:30 to how many hours? 3 hours? The training, babe.
Hour and a half.
And only 1 hour and a half daw yung training. Tapos marami pa kasi silang gagawin. Yun nga, pictures and educational. So bumalik lang siya. Buti na lang talaga nakaligo na tayo. Na kung hindi, plano ko pa sana mag-edit muna bago maligo. Buti inuna ko muna ang pagliligo. Kasi alam ko to eh. Lagi chop chop chop. Ang taas natin, di ba? Taas po. Ayan. Oops. Oops. Ayan. May lens tayo kaya medyo wide. Ang tahimik pa oh, pero marami nang nagbabiking dito sa road na to. Hindi nyo nga makita. And may nagja-jog. What did you eat, kuya? Salami sandwich? Kasi nakita ko siya kumakain siya nung pagdating namin ni Holly doon. So, blinower ko siya, tapos in-straight. Tapos yung tali ko, naiwan ko naman. Nagmadali kasi tayo. You alright, Baba?
Yeah. Wireless.
Hmm?
She's buckled up.
Buckle up.
Yeah, see?
Yeah. Dala ko na, ito yung pinakahapon ng mga bata, yung shapes na cheese and bacon. Hindi pa tayo nakainom ng juice.
Have one?
No, sama? Yung training ni Shaq dito lang sa Glenelg. So malapit lang kung saan tayo nag-stay. Look at those little boats, Baba. Is that little boats, huh?
You're right, remote control.
With control. Hindi nyo makita, guys, ah. Yung mga maliliit na mali naman. Hindi nyo makita. Diyan sa river, may mga maliliit na boat na they control. I think they're racing, kuya. Ate nag-jog ko. Ganda rin sana mag-walking kasi hindi ganun ka tirik yung araw. I-check ko yung phone kung may charge kasi phone yung gagamitin natin na pang vlog. Okay. Gamitin natin ito. Doon na kayo huli yung biscuit. Mag-cashew na lang tayo. Malapit na kami. So dito nag-training si Zach. Corns Gates. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan sila pero wala pa sila dito sa Alban. Ayan sila. Nandito na sila.
You see, baby, you got me overthinking. When you come closer to delicate touch of instinct, moving slow but my heart's racing, yeah. Your fingers sliding down my chest. What do you want from me? Lately it's been nothing but a mystery. Curiosity has got me wondering if this'll be alright. I want you in my life for more than a night. You got me overthinking here, where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me
Water break.
here. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Yeah. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. You got me overthinking. Okay. Yeah. Logically, it don't make sense to me. I don't see what you see. You're making me wait to call you my lady, making me contemplate, trying to calculate what your signs state. Tell me why hesitate? Why you keep me?
So may timer sila every time na nag-whistle yung coach. Nagpupulong-pulong sila sa gitna after ng isang drill. Tapos iba na naman yung gagawin nila. Parang fast moving sila eh. May timer nagpo-push. Basta na ngayon hiwalay sila. Ayan. Ang dami nilang ginagawang mga skills. Iba-ibang drills. Kailangan nito isang mag-push up sa holiday natin kasi may pa-push up dito. Nag-quick water break ulit sila. And may dala na silang vest. Ayun yung green and orange. So, ibang drill naman yung gagawin nila. Yung mag-ama nagkikik na rin dito. Mahigit 2 oras na ba? Oo, kasi 10:30. Magti 12:30 na, 10 to 11:30, 12:30. So 2 hours na sila nagti-training. Ayan. Natin baba. Ayan na yung vest na sinasabi ko sa iyo kanina. Si Sak hindi ate naka-vest. So tinim silang dalawa. Yung mga naka-orange. 3 team ata. Basta may green at saka orange na vest. Tapos yung iba naka-jersey lang. Si Sak naka-jersey lang din. Andun sila nagpupulong-pulong. And tingnan nyo ito. Ang tagal na pala ang football, guys. 1920-22 pa. Jan spray. Yan. Glenwood Foot Club. So, wow, ang tagal na pala naglaro ng football. 1920-22.
So where are we going after this?
Yep. So, tapos na ata yung training nila. Kasi ano na? Yeah, magigit 2 hours yung training nila.
Your
today.
hair is hot.
I know. Yan, nag-change na sila. Ayan si Sak. Tsaka si Jimmy. Yung taga ng Wari. Na sila, balik sila sa school ata. Hindi pa sila tapos ng education. So balik kami sa caravan. Pagas si Jan uli. And kuha ng, what are you gonna get? Water. Then balik tayo sa caravan. Si Jan nag-request na gawan ko siya ng salami sandwich. And kuha sila ng lollies daw dito. Sabi ko, marami tayong lollies sa caravan. Yung peach, wala akong nakuha. Yung gustong-gusto ni Kuya. Then mamaya, balikan namin si Sak 4 or 4:30.
I'm gonna get myself an oil movie.
Ayan, nainita na siya. Hinubad niya na yung kanyang jumper.
I'm gonna change into some short leggings.
How many coffee did you get? Nakalimutan nila yung tubig na
Mom,
bilang ko.
try black because it's good.
What's that? What do you call? Maxi?
Maxibon.
Ah, hindi siya ganun katamis. Kumasi dyan na 4 na coffee and ayan siya ngayon. Oh, battery. Dito na ulit tayo. Ang dami din na caravans. Andun yung beach.
Dad, go fast.
May mga caravans din. Get ready now.
You can do it when I...
Ayun, ginagawa ko na ng salad si Johnny Boy. Salami. May langaw. Nakapasok.
That's coming all the way to Guangdong, that fly.
So,
I think he wants to come to Namba with us.
ayun.
Yeah, I love that.
Please drink that. Thank you.
Okay.
You want one, Bubba?
Nakapagnap ng konti si John. Konti lang. Si Kuya tulog. Ako, nag-edit ako.
Please have a bit of sleep tonight.
Ayan si Kuya. Nagnap. Edit muna tayo habang hinihintay ni John si Zach na matapos. Are you gonna have a shower now? Nandito na pala si John siya si Zachary. Nag-shower lang si Zach and change plan. Dapat mag-stay pa tayo dito ng isang gabi. Pero sabi ni John, mag-drive na raw tayo. So, hindi na tayo mag-stay ng one night. Pero bayad na natin yung one night dito. Kasi iniisip ni John, okay na raw siyang mag-drive. Kasi nakapag-nap siya ng, siguro 30 minutes lang yung nap niya. Ayan. Hinuhook niya na ulit yung ating caravan sa car. Charan, ayan. Si Kuya, tinanggal niya na yung mga kahoy. And tinaas na yung mga paa. Ayan. Siya, ready na. Tsaka si Violet. Ready, Baba?
Ready for Violet? Yes.
Yes.
Stay there, Violet. Stay
Ay, nagmadali tayo na naman.
Mom, be careful with your drink.
Okay, thank you. Where's... kasi yung walkie-talkie ni Johnny Boy nandito. Lalagay ko tong drink. Itong tumbler natin dito. Ay. Tayo na talagang aalis na. Oh, good hand. Inano ko na rin dito. Inayos. Hindi ako nakapagtapos ng ating pag-edit, guys. So, check lang natin. Nilagay ko na yung fruit box natin dyan sa sink ulit na may bread. Para hindi sila magkahulog-hulog. Yung TV, tinanggal na. Kunin ko tong tali. O yung ref. Si Jan na mag-lock niyan. Kasi baka si Sak kumuha ng inumin. Ang kita mga bata, meron sila dyan na stop and go. Ayan. Ayan, nagbabike sila, tapos may scooter. Ang cute. Oh, wow, naka-zoom in naman tayo. Ay, mali.
Reading my book.
And siya, ayan, nagbabasa ng book. Meron akong binili mga books sa kanya. Ilan yun? How many books did I? Meron akong binili mga books sa kanya. Ilan yun? How many books did I bought you, Baba?
Sorry.
4 or 5?
4.
4, basta. Binilang ko siya ng books.
It's kind of been fun.
Sinihintay na lang namin siyang matapos sa kanyang shower. And we're gonna hit the road again. Page 56. Well done.
And I'm understanding.
You're understanding. That's the good thing, Holly. Maganda yan. What are you reading?
Twins. Sweet Valley Twins.
Show it to
Written
them.
by Nicole and Finka.
Show it to them.
The twins. Oh, it's on that page.
Tinanggal ko na yung vest kasi dito lang naman tayo sa car. Where's Zachary? I thought Zachary is here. Hi, Zach. Where are you? We can't see you. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Zach.
Hi, guys.
They can see you.
Hi, guys.
Okay, all good. Everyone
What?
is coming in.
Oh, she'll get rain.
Now we're going to...
Yeah.
Hindi kita ang
Where's
lahat.
the
What? What?
one?
Should be two. Two keys. Card keys. Okay.
That steps it up in there.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Look at that. See that, Zach? What did he do? Mum, the wrap was that good.
Was good? Yeah. Did you eat both?
No.
Just one?
Oh, Dad wanted Jimmy because he didn't like his lunch.
What lunch he has? He had Vegemite. Oh. Did he like it? Okay, that's good.
So I always forget them.
What?
Always.
Oh, the
Always forget them.
Check
the mirror.
Yes, we did.
Yes, Kuya did. Yung mirror kasi extendable. So, nakalimutan niya naman igan. Dito lang naman pag paalis na. So, how's your learning, Zaki? What did you learn?
That thing carry that caravan camera.
Ay, ba't nagsusum? Ay,
Would it be hard?
ay.
Yeah, would that be hard?
What?
To tow a caravan.
No, not.
Why hard?
Wait, what did you do today, Zach?
Yeah, tell us. What you
We
learned.
just got there. We were just kicking the footy.
Louder, we cannot hear you.
And then we had our first challenge, like in teams, we came second.
Challenge? You came second. How many grouping?
4.
4. And
And we had this basketball one. And we came second.
what's your group? Jimmy?
So we had 3 points.
You had
Like
Jimmy?
Jimmy, Kyle, Leo.
Yeah. And
Gilbert.
how's your team? Good? Are they good?
In fact, you couldn't catch him, could you?
Who?
Gilbert, when he took off on you and kicked that goal from
No,
there.
he marked it, and I was standing, and he's like standing, so I looked at him, and then he started running.
That's right, you're ready for that.
But that was a good goal, wasn't it?
Nearly missed.
Like a goal shade. And
Yeah.
then, what else?
We went inside, in the building, second store,
Second store.
Story.
Oh.
and then
Just gonna drop the keys here?
we learned about
What?
leadership, sportsmanship, and all that, respect, and all that stuff.
Ah, leadership, sportsmanship, and being humble. Yes. Napanood ko rin yun sa doon sa YouTube about dyan. Leadership.
And then we talked about all these skills and what you have to do and that.
Yeah.
Then we walked training,
Yes.
trained, got back, did our second challenge. Who could hit the crossbar? I didn't hit it.
You didn't.
It was going.
Yeah. So did you take photos as well? No. Why did they having photos?
Must be another time.
Another time.
Did you kick all them goals at the last one, Zach?
Yes. I did not miss one. I went straight there. All of them.
Good job, Saki boy. What are you looking at? A mirror. So did you have fun? Yeah, that's good. Whole day. So from 8:30 to 4:20 ata. 4 o'clock. So doon talaga sila maghapon. Is Jimmy heading back home? Okay. Let's do this, honey. Look at that guy, Kuya, running with no top.
Where?
There.
Can I get something from... Oh, will we be going past ODR? No. Hale and Ben? No.
No. We're not stopping, Zach.
Penner Road, mate.
Look at this
What's
man
the
babe.
tea then?
Look at that sack.
That's right, mate.
Wow. That one, he has a lot of my 6 packs ba? He has
Penner
6
Road,
packs.
Zach.
Is that where we're getting tea?
Pinaro. How far? How many hours?
Well, that's only the OTR.
Yeah. How many hours?
What are you going to get at the OTR?
Takis. I don't think so they have takis.
And something.
I thought where you're gonna have my muscle chef.
Yeah, but I have sushi.
Kulang kasi kay Kuya si muscle chef.
Yeah, but the chef
Okay, so kaya kami umalis na instead na magstay pa ng isang gabi para makatch up namin si Willow. Sila Max. Para sabay-sabay kami mag-drive bukas pa Yamba. So going to Yamba, do we still have to stop tomorrow? Or...
No, we're going to Coffs Harbour.
Coffs Harbour pa pala. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo na cancel yung Crescent Heads? Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na. Kung nasabi ko na, skip nyo na lang to. Dapat mag-stay kami sa Crescent Heads ng... How many days supposed to be we're staying in Crescent Heads, huh? 7 days? Yeah, 7 days. Na-cancel kasi flooded doon. Baha doon. So, punta na lang kami sa... Which one we're stopping, honey? With Coffs Harbour. So, mag-stay kami 1 night doon. With Willow, right? Huh? Then, diretso na tayo ng Yamba. So, maganda sa Crescent Heads. Right, Saki? You like Crescent Heads?
Yeah.
Kasi nandun yung ano, yung pagbukas mo ng caravan mo, kung doon kayo na as, nakaset up, kung saan ka nakaset up 2 years ago, pagising mo, ocean agad ang makikita mo. Tapos, sa kabila, Gulf. So, yun, ang ganda doon. Kasi hindi natin yun mapupuntahan this year kasi nga, baha sila. Sarado nga daw yung ibang, yung ibang highway. So, may mga tinanungan sila, yung ibang nandoon na kakilala rin nila. 1 lane lang daw yung yung sa road. So ang tagal daw nila nakarating sa Yamba kasi close kasi nga baha. So we'll see, guys. Wala nang oras na. 10 hours drive daw itong tatahakin namin, pero mag-stop naman pag kailangan ni Jan mag-stop. So hopefully makarating tayo doon ng mga 5 o'clock in the morning. Yun ang hoping ni Johnny Boy. So where we're going, honey, this trip? To catch Willow?
You're welcome.
Wagga Wagga. So 10 hours to Wagga Wagga. Nandun si Willow magstay. Hintayin niya kami doon. So kaya dapat huwag antukin si Johnny Boy. Pero mag-stop naman kami for sure kasi antukin to. Kami dito kami sa Carmagnan na. Ang ganda ng weather dito sa atin day. Ngayon malamig na. Kanina malamig na mainit kasi yung araw. Si Holly nga nainitan, hinubad niya yung kanyang jumper. Close it now, ha? Just a little bit. Grabe siya makatingin. Napagod siya eh. Hinuk niya yung caravan eh. Pinagpawisan siya. Ako sisipunin na talaga ako. Mag-edit ako dito. Ayan yung ating mahiwagang pillow. From IKEA. Maganda siya, guys, na kung nag-edit kayo sa, kung katulad ko kayo nag-edit sa car, maganda tong patungan. Kasi, sturdy siya. Oh. You're still reading, Baba? Wow! Yan yung road.
Give all that you want. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's fall in love, backtrack and do it over. Do it over. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's do it all night. We're never getting sober. Never getting sober. Know you want me feeling you right on top of mine. Lost in every groove, holding down your spine. Baby, hold me tight. We gon' be alright. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown. Oh, baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can't wait to tune it out. Show you all I know. Let me ease your mind.
Binigyan ko na pala si Jan ng snake. Naubos na yung snake. And eto, meron tayong bananas na lollies. Binigyan ko na yung mga bata.
Give all that you want. Let's fall in love, backtrack and do it over, baby. Do it over. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's do it all night. We're never getting sober, baby. Never getting sober. Let me make you say left, right, up and down. Let's fall in love, backtrack and do it over. Do it over. Let me make you say.
So, dito na pala kami guys sa Pinaru. Ito yung first stop natin. 7:29 na. Gustong kumuha ng mga bata ng makakain dito. And si Jan lalagay ng fuel. Kasi uhaw na ulit ang ating car. Okay.
I'm going to it.
Oh, Mom, I was wearing my jumper as pants. I was so cold.
Okay. I thought you.
I forgot to...
Ang road kanina, grabe, napaka-sharp na mga turning. Ay, malamig na, Baba. It's cold na, Baba.
Exactly, but I'm not putting on my jumper.
Ha? Alright. Ando na si Sak, magto-toilet daw si Saki. We've been here before, right? Yeah, we've been here before. Look at this, Baba. I'm just gonna go toilet first. Sabi ni Holly may muscle. Chef daw dito. Ah, yeah, they do. Yeah. No, you can ask.
No.
I will ask.
No, I don't want it.
You sure? It's good.
Muscle chef.
I know. It's good. Nakapunta na kami dito when we went to... Where we went, Sak? Port Lincoln? Port Lincoln. Yeah, to stop here from Port Lincoln. Yeah. Renmark? With
Lincoln's the opposite way. That's out that way.
yeah, but this is the one that we saw. No, the one that is still something. Remember?
No.
Yeah,
No, it is.
with Tita Race.
That's important. You're boss. You're
No, I'm not. Some.
Port Augusta.
Okay. Sorry.
That way.
Alright. Parang pareho kasi yung itsura. Baba, we got chips. We got lots of chips. Ah, Takis. Ah, ask Daddy. What are you getting, Holly? What food do you want?
I want this.
Takis. Okay, get Takis. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. What do you get? Yeah. Yung sour peach. No food. There's a lots of food. You're just being choosy. I think they can heat it up for you, Kuya. Kasi sa amin, meron tayo kaso yung microwave natin hindi gagana kasi wala tayong
Hey, what
outlet.
one did you even want?
This one is good.
Wait,
Well, go get it. Huh? Chicken and salad for you, Zach. There's pies and pasty here. Mag-Krispy Kreme ako, yung original glaze. Ito yung kinuha niya. Chicken, Caesar salad. Takis. What? Hinihintay pa naman yung kanyang hotdog. Akin na, kumuha rin siyang Takis, yung blue heat. Ako, ayan, yung Krispy Kreme ko. Thank you. Go get it, Holly. Come on. What's up? Don't step on that one. Oh, that.
Bird, I don't like the hot dog. It's gross.
Why?
I don't like it.
You don't like the hot dog?
Yeah.
I think it's good.
It's good for you, yeah? What you got, yeah?
Mum, what's this stuff?
What's that? That's a Parmesan cheese.
No.
What's this? Finish.
Mum, where'd I put this now? Because,
Are you done?
no, you can't close it.
Are you done eating?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless you want
Just
the rest.
chuck it outside.
This sack,
Guys,
Naka-
smell good.
nakakonect siya sa Foxtel namin. Kaya nakakapanood siya.
Oxtail.
No, Foxtel Zachary! Niloloko niyo na ako. Kaya nakakapanood siya ng game ng kanyang team. Who's winning, Zach?
Geelong.
Geelong.
By 12.
But, not bad.
Lowest bet. Gone to go.
Because that
Okay.
team is on 40.
West Coast. 12 points daw. So,
No,
2 goals.
No, it's not.
2 goals only you need. What?
It's not 12 points, 11.
11.
You just said 12.
Yeah.
I got violet.
I thought you're done eating, Holly. Tinapon ko na yung mga nila, rubbish. Si Kuya, sour peach na ang kinakain.
Yeah, because I did have this.
Alright, hinintay lang natin si Johnny. But check niya lang yung ating caravan. And pumunta ako doon. Kinuha ko sila ng
Takis.
no, not Takis.
Lemon Takis.
Drinks. Yung fruit box, ubus na. Last 2 na yan. And kinuhaan ko si Sak ng Tim Tam, yung kanyang salted caramel. Naubos na yung binuksan kong
Lemon Takis.
Pythons. And still din meron siyang sa. Kinuha niya yan sa shop. So, ayan. Kumuha ulit ako kasi si Jan, kailangan natin siyang gisingin. Now, sabi niya, I need a lot of Lawless Babe to keep me awake. So, I got him this. And, this one. Ito pa yung nabili natin sa sa
You said
Costco.
you only want one now.
kung maalala nyo, nag-shopping tayo doon. So, ito yung una, ubos na.
No, after I ate this one, I want one.
I forgot this one. Can you put this one first, please? Holly, I got tissue here. Okay? For your Takis.
Just one.
You said two.
Yeah. Careful with your clothes, Holly. And then Violet. Si Violet din nakikisali na.
I'm scared.
Asa na yung aking... Ito tayo. Ito yung ating calories. Kanina kumain pa ng konting kanin tsaka adobo.
It's my good.
Ang tamis. Grabe naman katamis. Alam ko naman matamis siya, pero ngayon parang kasi hindi na ako masyado kumakain masyadong dessert
That's before.
na sobrang tamis. Ito, napakatamis. Ang haba pa ng biyahe natin, guys. How many hours more, Kuya? 8 hours more. Yeah, waga-waga yung... Ha? Pass, waga-waga.
May.
So what time do you think we will be there? Around
3:30.
3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Ako na. Bigay ko na lang sa dyan yung sila dyan.
Take as much you
Ang
want.
tamis.
You can keep grabbing them if you want.
It's only half time. Sa?
Yeah.
You have a long way pa. Kanina, nawalan siyang signal kasi yung dinaanan natin, pawala-wala yung signal. So, hindi niya na panood lahat ng first quarter, yung half time. All good, Han? Let's go.
Spray, fine.
Spray.
What's the score now, Zach?
What's the
Another
score?
one.
No, 11.
And eto yung nabili ko ba sa
Hot
Pinas.
water.
Yung fresh na
Good, yeah.
peach mango.
Oh, yeah.
Alcos,
that be
Alcos
on
spray. Yung alcohol nila.
How's it
Germs
big
will
one?
99.99. Do you want Krispy Kreme, Han?
Yeah, in a minute when we get out.
Alright.
Your door.
My door.
Someone's door.
My door. Whose door? Saki. Okay, so
Turn it off.
yes,
That light,
I
quick.
am now. Okay, your light. My light. Balik na tayo sa road, guys.
Feedback. Ask us questions.
Because I think I do